lunch or frozen meal prep. So you're going to get mushrooms, cut them up, bell peppers, cut them up into small squares. Then you're going to take pasta if you want to make it a pasta sauce to go over your pasta. So you're going to add your noodles, dump them into the water. Then in a separate pan, you're going to take some oil, some garlic, some seasonings like oregano, Italian seasoning, onion, garlic, whatever you prefer, really. Everything goes good with seasonings. I think the more the better. You're then going to add all of your veggies. You could even add onion to this, and I'm not sure why I didn't. I highly recommend adding onion. It would be good. You're going to dump your noodles, let them drain. Now, I do not stir it at the end, but I did pour this onto the noodles. You're going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and stir. Off to the side, I made a corn starch and water mixture. Mixed it up and set it to the side. I'm adding a bit of chicken broth and a cup of pasta water to this ultimately. Look how beautiful that's coming along. That looks so good, y'all. It was delicious. My daughter loved this. I sent it to her to school for lunch, and she absolutely loved it. I added some Parmesan, and this is also where I added the cornstarch and water mixture. This was so good. So you're going to get take a jar, put your soup into the jar for later, or if you're taking it for lunch on noodles, put the noodles in a jar separately, warm it up, and mix it together. It's so good.